No matter what your hair needs, Truss has the solution. Truss High Liss is the perfect treatment for clients that want to reduce frizz and volume that lasts up to 3 months. High Liss provides the hair with an intense treatment, delivering spectacular results from the first application and even better results with future applications, leaving the hair recovered with the cuticles sealed. Formaldehyde-free, compatible with all other chemical treatments, dermatologically tested, releases no fumes in the air, no irritation in the eyes or throat, no waiting time for first wash. The blonde version was specially developed for blonde, bleached and colored hair, formulated with a blend of violet pigments which neutralizes warm tones, leaving hair more vibrant and platinum. High Liss takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to perform. K-Recovery Salon Treatment is a professional conditioning recovery treatment with multiple uses. The treatment repairs the interior cortex of the hair, while also restoring the exterior of the hair strands. It can be used in conjunction with other Truss products to address each client's specific needs and create a customized, full-service, in-salon experience. It can be performed as often as needed where there is damage. Keratin-Collagen Shock, Reconstructive Blowout, protection for fragile and sensitive hair, treatment before and after decoloration. Truss Infusion is a 100% vegan wax-based treatment that provides intense moisturizing, reconstruction, anti-aging, anti-frizz, softness, extra shine, and as a protective layer to seal cuticles. This treatment takes just over an hour to perform and lasts up to 45 days. It is combined with Truss Intensive Nutrition and Truss Amino during the service. Truss Night Spa is the recommended take-home after-care product. TRUSS FAST REPAIR is a 3-step back bar deep conditioning system that provides frizz maintenance, moisture, hydration, and shine that lasts up to 20 days. This 12-minute fast moisturizing treatment brings out the best in your client's hair and has them crazy for Truss instantly. Ask your stylist for Truss Professional.